And we're here. We made it to Nick's. Check the cars. Yeah. What the? Let's go see if he's around. Tell him there's a note on the door. That's bad news. He was here the whole time. So Nick came back. Now we're headed out to APA tires. Work on these Miatas. You guys got to check out the RX-7 getting ready for drift. I was gonna do the same thing with Miata. Plus I get to show you guys the cage that he did in there. So we'll be right back with you. We are at home of this 86. Check it out. So, came here with Nick, Julian, I believe it is. So they're working on the Miatas. I gotta try to conserve battery. I don't have a whole lot left. There's a lot of shit going on here. This G35 is getting a manual and transmission swap. So I'll try to, I got some shit on the lens. I'll try to conserve battery power, and I'm just gonna try to grab the important shit and keep you guys up to date with what's going on. So let's get in it. Pulled the roof off the Miata, the cage Nick built last time we were there at the shop. You want to see it? Yeah. Oh, it looks good. Come on. Oh. Check it out. Look at that. Roadster Supreme. I think it's cool. With the harness bars in there. Sparko seat with the harnesses. A little steering wheel hook. I think it looks pretty sweet. And it looks sweeter the further you are away from it. It makes it look like it's race car. Check it. Ba, ba, ba. Hell yeah. So you guys remember last time we were at the track and the video you see the radiator cap blowing right off this thing? Well, Nick found a solution.
I bought
our first unboxing video together.
Way too expensive of a radiator for way too shitty of a car. Oh, the CSF 2862. I think it's 48mm core. Yeah, it looks pretty thick.
A little thicker than stock.
Got the bolting points for the stock fan. Looks like it's got the stock mount. I'm not a Mishimoto fan, so if I want to buy an eBay radiator, I'm gonna buy an eBay radiator. This one is cheaper than the Mishimoto. It's way more thick. Oh, bro, they put the CSF thing in front and everything.
Real deal.
It's awesome, bro.
That's a race rad.
I can't even want to install it.
Shit, yeah, let's put it on the wall.
Yeah, nice.
So
hey, check that out. You sick?
Going in there.
Like parts. Bro. Je vais te poser bien des questions plates. There's a good difference.
Versus new.
There's a good difference.
Yeah.
Thickness of the core.
Oh, yeah.
There's a good difference. I'm happy with it.
Good. Gonna run nice and cool.
Yeah, I hope.
And it's like end of the season, so it's never really gonna get that hot again.
No, but it was blowing the cap off at Naples.
Yeah, it's true. It wasn't hot that day.
It was not hot, so I think it has nothing to do with hotness. It had everything to do with the fact that it's a bucket of shit.
So, well, that one's getting a new rad. This one's getting new motor mount. Oh, that's right. If you guys remember last video, there was a strap right across the engine of this thing. Cut to the foot. Problem solved.
Also, no, van goed.
kind of hard to film and lend a hand at the same time, but look at this. In there, like a glove. How do you feel about that?
I feel good. I feel great.
Drop the fans in there.
Yeah, that's too easy though.
Sure.
Something's
Shh, don't say that. Don't say that.
Yeah, something's gonna bite us though. For sure something.
Bro, you ruined it, bro.
Bro, I've been drifting for long enough. I just know.
It's not a curse, it's a fact.
Yeah, I'm not delusional. That's all.
Let's just get the fan in there.
yeah, that's it. The fans. Oh well, I think you're gonna fit. Like the core is thicker, but the top seems to actually be not that thicker.
Yeah.
So I think
the other one had a lot of crap on it too, a lot of plastic, a lot of...
Yeah.
This is functional.
And it was far away from the barn. This one is a bit tighter, but the bolt doesn't fit.
Dodo wheels. It's like Dodo, Momo.
Il va venir tout proche, je mets sur l'huile sans passer The second one's gonna go over the pass.
You have the second one here?
Yeah, it's in the trunk.
Oh, okay.
I'm in a little It's a party one. Woohoo!
It's a pretty happening place.
I'm not responsible for whatever's gonna happen with those guys.
It's getting fit.
Bro, I need 2 fans. No, it doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit.
Like at all. This one is way wider. Those are both the same fans. This one is too wide. Hey mate, t'as-tu un autre fan de... Moi j'ai juste 2 larges fans de rap, j'ai pas la petite. Gonna buy.
There you go.
C'est pas pire?
Hein?
Le fit est pas pire de ton...
Dude, beau temps, mais si gars, je suis en train de remettre les
C'est
autres.
beau, c'est du
Je suis en train de
sport,
remettre les
genre.
autres. J'ai fini.
Okay, this is messed up. He's gonna pull out a throw-out bearing with bar soap, this guy. Show me.
Pilot bearing off using soap.
Okay.
On a besoin d'un box comme ça, il y en a en masse ici, on est correct.
I've never seen this before. You guys seen this before?
Faut que je remplisse le... Là, j'en prends un petit marteau. Là, faut que je remplisse le box de savon. Ça va du coup de punch avant que ça marche.
You got a few seconds, we're running out of battery power here. The internet's gonna think you can't do it.
For real?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
no,
flashing,
no,
it's flashing. You gotta get it.
Yo, le box 14, je l'ai tantôt.
Big panic, big panic, big panic.
I'm gonna fucking hero today. It worked. It worked.
Oh, I thought I was gonna have to do some serious editing for that. Drop the mic. Miata's getting new belts put in. Nick's Miata's getting a fuse panel. And these boys are still working on that transmission swap. It goes good. I guess we're drifting this weekend, so they better hurry up. They got like 12 hours. Okay, what do you got? Switches and you're good?
Switches and an e-brake.
What's up with the e-brake?
I gotta change the master on it.
Oh, fuck.
Mine is stuck. I think I gotta make some pre-rolls, mate. Go get a real bit smaller than this one, obviously, because he's a running garage. That's what's fun about that place. He's not a thrift shop, but he's got wide quantities of everything. Yeah, it's gonna be ready.
Cool.
We're doing back lights now, so I get nighttime running lights, and so I lost those because they're welded. We wired the fan with the ratchet switch panel. The only thing left after lights is changing the master on the Hydro E, and we're done. Gonna be ready for Sunday.
Cool. Yeah. Cool.
So, Sunday show.
Yeah. So that's it. We're out of battery. We're out of light. We're out of. I gotta get out of here. Time to go. We got a lot of stuff to get ready for the weekend still. So that's it for now. Next video is probably gonna be Sunday at the track. So
Peace out, man.